Being named trustee is an honor, but it comes with some serious legal duties. So there's this fallacy out there that goes like this. If you have a trust upon your death, there's this automatic process, this magic wand that just automatically gets things to the next generation. Yay! I wish this were true. But alas, there are a lot of steps that need to be taken when a trust owner dies, and those steps comprise the trust administration process. So do you really need to hire a lawyer for trust administration? To answer that, let's look to see what a trustee does and see if you think you can navigate all those things on your own. So the process of trust administration in California is navigated in the California Probate Code. That means that someone can sue you if you do something that's not in line with that statute in the probate code. That, in my book, is reason enough to hire a lawyer. So the probate code tells us which steps are required to take during a trust administration. Here are some of those steps. You need to lodge the original will with the county recorder's office. You need to check for unclaimed property. You need to inform the Franchise Tax Board and the Department of Healthcare Services about the settler's death. Now, if the settler owns property, you need to record documents removing or changing the trustee's name on the grant deed. And you need to inform the assessor's office about the death so they can determine whether there's a reassessment for property tax purposes. You also need to get a tax ID number if the trust became irrevocable. And you need to get appraisals of the real property and date of death valuations for securities. And there's required notices that you have to send out to the beneficiaries. And you need to arrange an accounting or get waivers of the accountings from all the beneficiaries. I mean, the list goes on. You see, this is pretty complicated. And in addition, most trust administrations that I've worked on have some additional twists and turns. Maybe a beneficiary isn't cooperative, or a bank is hard to deal with, or the assessor's office gets back to you with many questions that you don't know how to answer. I've seen all of these things happen many times over. An estate planning lawyer with experience in this field can help you navigate all of these situations. So if you have a parent or another loved one who recently passed away and you're named as trustee, I think you should definitely hire a lawyer to help you out with the trust administration process. At Cookman Law, we help trustees fulfill their duties in the trust administration process. Please reach out to us and we can talk to you about this.